Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining us. Our presentation today tackles one of the most urgent and complex challenges in South Africa, which is hunger, and how we can address it through a tech enabled and human centered approach. We face a widening gap between the fast changing needs of vulnerable communities and the outdated manual systems that deliver food aid. During emergencies like flood and sudden job losses, existing processes like static beneficiary list or paper vouchers fail to respond fast enough. This leads to a delay, stigma, and missed opportunities to prevent hunger. Our interviews with Food Forward, SA, and government officers confirm the problem. Relief is often slow, culturally inappropriate, and difficult to access. Mobile recharge partners reveal hunger hotspots in real time, but these insights aren't being used effectively today. If we get this right, the impact is massive. Quicker crisis responses means fewer empty stomachs and strong communities. Improved nutrition helps children perform better in school and adults work more productively, lowering healthcare costs. This situation supports global goals, specifically SDGs 1, 3, and 13, by tackling poverty, health, and climate resilience. To close this gap, we need three things: real-time analytics to predict and detect food insecurity, digital tools for local NGOs and municipalities to deploy and aid efficiently and respectfully, strategic alignment with partners like Vodacom to scale these efforts nationwide. We ground our design in real stories and we use design thinking frameworks. Goko Tembi, a rural widow, walking kilometers for food, and Sipho, an unemployed father of two in Mpumalanga, and Ms. Molefe, a municipal officer pressured to report hunger but lacking the tools. These personas represent the urgency, frustration, and hope of millions. We map the current aid journey from awareness to collection. It's long, frustrating, and often undignified. Opportunities of improvement include mobile alerts, local pickup points like spaza shops, and food options aligned with dietary needs. Our solution answers key questions from both users and stakeholders. Using the technology adoption model and stakeholder theory, we designed with the user at the center. Beneficiaries can register via USSD, no data required. NGO access a dashboard to track needs in real time. Vouchers can be redeemed locally at the spaza shops. All feedback loops are built in. It's simple, fast, and respectful. We validated the idea through interviews in the field. Over 80% of users said they'd adopt a solution that reduces stigma. Vodacom and NGOs like Gift of the Givers have expressed support and readiness to collaborate. Technologically, the infrastructure is already in place. USSD, retail networks, and NGO field teams are ready. The prototype is functional and feasible, as it's explained in this video. It's viable, low cost, and built on trust within communities. Feedback from partners reinforced the idea's value. The solution is highly scalable, works even during disasters, and leverages a wide spread of networks like spaza shops and telcos. We're now ready to scale. By partnering with all major mobile operators and building awareness through local channels, we can ensure broad access and adoption, especially in underserved rural and peri-urban areas. For what works, we have utilized the business model canvas. The problem is a broken, outdated food aid system. Our solution is a real-time digital platform that restores dignity, increases efficiency, and delivers food aid exactly where and when it's needed. Our work is grounded in research, user interviews, and partnerships. You'll find all the supporting studies and sources in a reference section. This is not just about food parcels, it's about delivering dignity, it's about using tech for humanity, and it's about moving South Africa closer to zero hunger, one USSD message at a time. Thank you.